Welcome back to Coppertop Productions. In this week's video, I finish my bench and you get a montage. Yep. Well, that's just about our door done. Just about done. I mean, I gotta put some things in here. But she done. And so there's that off. Obviously it's not all together. And obviously I've still got to paint it, but yeah, she's looking good. She's getting close. Door still needs a little bit of fine tuning. Put some screws in this. Gap's not perfect. Like that section there, you can sort of see it's got a bit of a gap in there. And then the top, I'll put some kind of cap on. As for this section, we added these in here just to make sure that it was extra sturdy. I'm really glad I did, because they added a lot of rigidity to it, just moving it around it. Yeah, it really needed those, honestly. And we've got a back on it, which is, if anything, really overkill. But the idea with this is that when it's painted, it'll be a fantastic surface to do something on, which I'll save for the next video. Or the next video, I don't know. So when this entire section is over there, and we've got our center parts on, and we've got this on the edge, it's going to look very good. We're not going to put it all together until it's all painted, because I don't want to see the full final result basically done but without paint. So we're going to leave it there, and next week we're going to jump back in. Probably not going to film myself painting it, because I hate painting stuff. Just going to get that done through the week after work, kind of like I've been doing every single day this week. Then when it's all done, I'll just show you guys the final result, and we'll jump in, pull the car into the garage, and kick off some work in the new workspace, which will be absolutely flagging baller. I'm real keen for that. Building some cool cars, and having a good workplace to do it in. Yep,